We purchased this building about 5 or 6 years ago. It was built in the early 70s, very late 60s, and so it wasn't the most energy efficient at that time, but it's a large building and utilities are a large portion of our operating cost. So we took a strategic approach to understanding how we use our utilities and how we could reduce those overall costs. I like the concept and the idea of being self-sufficient, creating our own energy, particularly if we have the real estate and the ability to do so. And I think it's a great use of really large flat roofs. You can't see the solar power, you can't see what's happening up there, and it's just a better use of that space. And not only is it good financially for the company, but it's also good for the environment. We have this great little interface that we can log into, a dashboard that tracks how our solar is performing. And we even share it with employees on a fairly regular basis because it gives them an idea. It actually equates how much energy we're saving to how many trees we would have had to plant in the environment to equal that out. It's not just about harnessing the energy and saving money that way. It's also about the smart system that we've put into the building to regulate how we use the energy. When you have a large building like this, instead of having all of your HVAC units kick on at the same time because they're not talking to each other, that increases your peak usage. By having a smart system that connects all of those systems and allows them to talk to each other, you end up reducing your peak usage, which saves you money all year around. Despite the significant outlay of funds at the very beginning of the project, our calculations are that we'll have a full refund on our investments in about a 4.5 to 5.5 year period.